ka pang kailangang malaman at intindihin sa mundo. Yan ang totoo. Nagkakamali ka kung akala mo na ang buhay ay isang mumunting paraiso lamang. Batang bata ka lang at akala mo na alam mo na ang lahat na kailangan mong malaman. Buhay ay di ganyan. Tanggapin mo na lang ang katotohanan ay ikaw ay isang musmus lang na wala pang alam. Makinig ka na lang, makinig ka na lang. Ganyan talaga ang buhay, lagi kang nasasabihan, pagkat ikaw ay bata at wala pang nalalaman. Makinig ka sa aking payo, pagkat musmos ka lamang at malaman ng maaga ang gusto sa kamalian. Batang-bata ko, malalaman ko to. Inaamin ko rin na kulang ang aking nalalaman at nauunawaan. Ngunit kahit ganyan ang kinalalagyan, alam ko na may karapatan ang bawat nilalang. Kahit bata pa man, kahit bata pa man.
Happy 80th birthday, Papa. I hope we made you happy on your birthday today. And unfortunately, I cannot attend the birthday. But hopefully soon I'll see you. Definitely I will see you soon, God willing. And I want you to know that I care for you a lot. You and Mama. I just wish you good health and more years so you can spend more time with us, your children, your mga apos, your friends, and everyone around. Also, I thank you for everything that you do to us, all your sacrifices. You made the impossible possible for us, your children, and I can never be who I am today without you and Mama. So, I love you very much, and take care, and enjoy, and happy birthday once again. Bye.
Hey, how are you everybody? Hope everybody happy. Today is Friday, December 9, 2022. Everybody meeting, joy and happy to celebrate our dad birthday. Dear John Stefano, on your 80th birthday, I want to send you the most wonderful message with love, with good health and happiness. Happy birthday to the most amazing man who's worked very hard to make all his family very happy and very lucky. My God continues to bless you with many years, many years filled with great health and happiness. We love you always, and we hope to celebrate your birthday when you are at 100 years old or 90 years old together. Take care and love you. God bless you. Thank you so much for everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hello. Taas kini akong masulti about ni Papa. Happy 80th birthday pa. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Hope you have good health, Lolo. Leon, buwan, Lolo. Kanang thank you sa imong gibuhat para namo, Lolo, for being a grandfather, Lolo. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo. May you have good health always.
Happy 80th birthday pa. Amping kanunay. God bless.
1, 2, 3. Malipayon nga, adlaw nga, natawhan. Happy birthday, Lolo!
Hi, Grandpa. Happy birthday. I hope you have a good day. I miss you, and I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Pa. Happy 80th birthday. Wishing you good health, happiness, more karaoke's, good food every Sunday. We are just a wall away, so in case you need some help, errands, naramis tupad, you can always call us, and so with the kids. Cheers to life! Happy birthday again!
Hi everyone! Papa taught me everything I needed to know, but he did not teach me everything he knows. Joke lang na. Pero he gave me the greatest gift anybody can give to his children or to his child. Kada mo unsa? I give you a hint. Unsa? What this is? Diba mo unsa? No, it's not that glasswares, it's not that chemistry thing, it's who that I become. So, Pa, thank you for everything. Thank you for your guidance, patience, for your love, and we're very fortunate and blessed to have you. Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Nais ko sanang malaman ang mali sa katotohanan, sariling pagraranas ang aking pamamagitan, inulat ang isipan sa mga kulay ng buhay, maging tunay na malaya sa katangi-tanging bata. Matatapat, marami ka pang kailangan malaman at intindihin sa mundo. Nais ko sanang malaman ang mali sa katotohanan. Batang-bata pa lang at akala mo na alam mo na ang lahat na kailangan mo malaman. Pag-aranas ang aking pamamagitan. Nagkakamali ka kung akala mo na ang buhay ay isang mumunting paraiso lamang.